Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to log out from your Reka AI account step by step using the official website. So let's get started. First, open any web browser on your phone or PC. Within the search bar, type reka.ai, then press enter, where it will open the official Reka AI website. On the website, look for Try Reka option. Then tap on it. Since you have already signed in, it will directly redirect you to the Reka AI dashboard. On the dashboard page, look at the top right corner of the screen where you will see a profile icon. Tap on the profile icon where a small box or panel opens from the page showing options like your email or Gmail account info, manage account, and lastly sign out. Now tap on sign out. After logging out, you will be redirected back to the same main Reka AI page without signing in. Even though you can still access and use some Reka AI features without signing in, you must note that your chat history is not saved and some features may be limited. Also, your activity won't be linked to your account. So in order to save your history and unlock full features, you must log in again. And that's how you can log out from your Reka AI account easily. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.